Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in with an administrator account. This lets you remove Office cleanly. Once done, open Start, go to Settings, then Apps, and open Apps and Features to see installed programs. Make sure to identify the exact Office product name and version, Office 365, Office 2019, or Office 2016, because the removal path can differ. Write it down or take a quick screenshot so you know which entry to target in the next step. You select the Office entry in Apps and Features and click Uninstall. Follow the prompts to remove core components and shared libraries. If that fails, make sure to use Control Panel, right arrow Programs, and Features right arrow Uninstall/Change, because MSI-based installers appear there. Once the uninstall finishes, restart the PC if prompted to allow services to stop and files to unlock. If something blocks removal, open Task Manager and end any WinWord, Excel, or Office. You finish by cleaning residual files and registry traces. Remove %program files, %\Microsoft Office, and check %appdata, %Microsoft for Office folders, then empty recycle bin. If Office refuses to uninstall, download and run the Microsoft support and recovery assistant or use an official removal script. These targets corrupted installers. Make sure to try uninstalling in safe mode or create a new admin account and attempt removal from there. This often bypasses locked files and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.